Hello everyone. Welcome to today's science lesson. We are going to learn lesson 8 from grade 9 science. Support and movements of organisms. Let's explore how both animals and plants move and stay supported, even though plants don't walk around like animals do. 8.1 Support and movements of animals. Animals show movement to find food, escape from enemies, survive in their environment. Different animals use different locomotory. Amoeba gives
Amoeba, Pseudopodia paramecium, Cilia euglena, flagella snails, muscular foot. How chordates move. Chordates, including humans, have a skeletal system plus muscles which support the body, help in movement. How movement happens. For movement, muscles contract, muscles stretch, then they return to resting length. 8.2 Bones, muscles and joints. Bones provide shape, rigidity, protection. Muscles attach to bones and work in pairs. Biceps contract, arm bends, triceps contract, arm straightens. Example: when you lift a book, biceps contract. When you put it down, triceps contract. 8.3 Support and movements of plants. Plants do not move from place to place, but they still show movements. Support in plants. Type of plant. How they stay strong. Non-woody plants. Water pressure in cells. Woody plants, cellulose and lignin in stems. Movements in plants. Plant movements are responses to stimuli like light, gravity, water. Touch. They are in two main types: tropic movements, nastic movements. Tropic movements. Direction depends on stimulus. Type example: positive geotropism. Roots grow toward ground. Negative geotropism. Shoots grow upward. Positive phototropism. Shoots grow toward light. Positive hydrotropism. Roots go toward water. Positive chemotropism. Pollen tube grows to ovule. Positive thigmotropism. Tendrils coil with support. Nastic movements. Direction does not depend on stimulus. Most nastic movements are caused by turgor pressure changes in a structure called pulvinous grade. Examples: leaves close at night, nyctinasty. Mimosa leaves fold when touched. Hyponastic shock causes folding. Sees monastic flowers open with sunlight. Photonastic. Extra knowledge, tactic movements. Some organisms move the whole body toward or away from a stimulus. Example: Chlamydomonas moving toward light. In situ conservation. Because plants cannot run from danger, they must be protected in their natural habitat. Example: Wilpadua reserve. Summary of the whole lesson. Animals use pseudopodia, cilia, flagella, and muscles for movement. Chordates use bones and muscles. Muscles must be able to contract, stretch, and return to normal. Plants remain in one place but still show movements. Plant movements: tropic, growth-based, direction-dependent. Nastic, turgor-based, direction-independent. Protecting organisms in their natural environment is called in situ conservation exercises. From textbook 1, the appendage used by a snail is muscular foot. 2, rigidity in non-woody plants is maintained by water. 3, human movement needs both bones and muscles. 4, movement of mimosa leaves when touched. Haptonastic. 5, growth of stem toward light. Positive phototropism.